Welcome to this technical guide on the eternal maximum. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Eternal Max can't even get through a meeting, you're not alone. This is a common issue that arises when the battery begins to degrade over time, losing its ability to hold a charge. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further complications, making your device almost unusable. Fortunately, with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can replace the battery yourself. For this repair, you will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a new battery compatible with the Eternal Maximum. It's also a good idea to have some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth handy for cleaning. To begin, safely open your Eternal Maximum. Start by carefully inserting the plastic opening tool into the seam between the front and back casing. Gently pry it apart, ensuring you don't apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. Once open, locate the battery, which is usually secured with adhesive and possibly a few screws. You'll need to carefully disconnect any cables attached to the old battery. Use your precision screwdriver to remove these screws, if present. When you're ready to extract the battery, gently lift it out, being cautious of any components nearby. If you feel resistance, double-check for any screws or cables you might have missed. Once the old battery is out, take your new battery and carefully place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, making sure they are properly seated and secure. As you reassemble your Eternal Max, pay attention to the screws. They should be tightened firmly but not excessively to avoid damaging the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reassembling, power on your Eternal Max to verify everything functions correctly. If the device powers up and holds a charge, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this problem from recurring, try to avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis, and consider using a battery maintenance app to monitor its health. Additionally, make sure to keep your device updated with the latest software, as updates can often optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.